Hi, welcome to the final video in this online tutorial. In this video, I'm going to talk about a recent project I've been involved in with colleagues Sally Hunt and Sarah Mukherjee, where we're looking at young adult fiction and in particular comparing the writing of a group of female authors with that of male authors. In this project, we aim to compare the writing in order to see what differences exist in the fictional worlds created by each author group. We thought this is an important area because young people often gather their views of the world and have insights into the world through this reflective space created by YA fiction. As well as a corpus analysis, we're also interested in what the young readers themselves think about our findings. So we went into a secondary school and talked to students in focus groups. The corpus comprises 50 best-selling YA books, which were best-selling in a 5-year period, 2017 to 2022. Here are the top 10 of those 50 best-selling books. You might recognise some of them from TV adaptations or movie tie-ins. First of all, in our analysis, we used W-Matrix software to pull out key semantic domains in each author corpus. And this is quite early work, so findings are still being explored. We used part of the female authored corpus, as this was the larger of the two, and we couldn't upload it all into W-Matrix. So these are partial findings. So we compared part of the female authored corpus with all of the male authored corpus. And these are the key semantic domains. So if you look in the second column on the left under domain, these are the semantic areas which were key in the female authored corpus when compared to the male authored one. And the top one, the domain unimportant, is comprised of lexis or words such as regardless, minor, meaningless, which on their own may not be a keyword, but taken together as a category, they are a key category or domain. One thing we found of interest, and which I'm going to focus on here, is the category in the male authored corpus of warfare, defence and the army. So to explore this further, here are a few of the words that occur in the category of warfare in the male authored corpus. And if you look through this, some of them are literal usage, but some of them appear to be metaphorical. For example, take a shot on me, I'm a ticking time bomb, shoot that dream in the foot. And we thought this is an interesting area to explore further. Maybe we could do that by taking a lot of concordance lines and categorizing them, looking at the proportion of actual literal references and metaphorical ones to see what proportion of the language is figurative. So that's further work we can do. And you can see here how semantic domain analysis provides a sort of way-in or entry point to exploring these corpora further. Alongside this corpus analysis, we went to one secondary school, we plan to do more, and we talked to students in 6 different focus groups. And we asked them, first of all, we showed them our findings and we asked them, does it surprise you that female and male authors write about different things? I'll give you a moment to read what some of the things they said. So these are just a few students. But it's interesting that they had these responses. We felt the students were quite insightful and helped to confirm our findings and to give us further areas to explore, and that work is ongoing. Thank you.